be an example to myself in the tears that I cried.
0.075. Apply. Boom. So as you can see, like these little boxes, that is ungrouped. I don't think it'll let me group it from here. It won't. So I'm gonna just leave it for right now. I'm gonna Control Z and get that selected again so I can make it. I'm gonna color that offset white just so we can see it. I'm gonna select everything. I'm gonna go up here to panels, hit the modify tab, and I'm gonna hit subtract all. So I'm gonna click off of it, move this out. Now you have that. The knockout is there. So I'm gonna click on the green. I'm gonna move it. Hold on. See, there's a piece that didn't get caught on the yellow. So we're gonna Control Z back to that. Group everything. Make sure everything is grouped. Move. Click on that. Move the yellow. Bam. Then I'm gonna move the green out of the way. Now see, from the when you did the offset, is broken. So I'm gonna just select everything, hit group. Now it's one piece. And then I already cut this and I didn't record it, but I mean, if you're watching this, you know how to cut already. So I'm gonna just take that, go to my scene panel, and then I'll cut that. So in this one, I cut it black. Cut my black out. Alright, so we here at the heat press. I'm gonna, Alright, so we at the heat press. I'm gonna just go down. I'll move this over just to here. Just tag it down for about 10 seconds real quick. This black is a warm peel, so I'm gonna just cool it. And I got on gloves. For one, I'm using white. Don't really like messing with white. And I still have a burn on my finger, so I'm just being safe. Alright, so my next layer is yellow. Pull this down just a little bit. So again, I'm gonna just tap it down for about 10 seconds, put on the last layer, and we'll go to full time. Yellow's a hot peel. My last layer is glitter. It's the city, Seattle. So yeah. Put that in there. Get my Teflon sheet, lay that over for that exposed vinyl. Then now I'm gonna just hit it the whole time. Put a little more pressure because of the layers, just to be safe. Press it at 20 seconds. Remove this. And then I'm gonna just hit it one more time, an overkill press, just to make sure all my layers is together. Another 20 seconds. Alright, so I'm going to pull it over here on the table, let y'all check it out. So 3-color knockout design, one yellow, the matte black, the glitter, which is technically 4 colors. Seattle, it's my design, man. That's my hometown. Just been homesick, so I just did a dedication to the city. And they're available on the website, 12goneapparel.shop. Y'all go check it out if you're interested. See Paris, 12 Gone Apparel, man. I'll see y'all next time.
12 Gone Apparel, the dream in my eye. I be an example to myself in the tears that I cry.